Hey guys, today we're going to be trying the snack crate. I'm only going to be trying one snack and I'll be showing you all of them, all of them. And this is going to be part one, and I started I got to part two, I think, on another video. And this is the other box, so we're doing this box. Every day I'm going to be doing two, but today I'm only going to be doing one of this because they're pretty light. So. It's from France. That's pretty cool. Look at this stuff. Don't need that. Oh, look at this. Oh my God, you got all this stuff. I'm just showing you everything we got. We got chips. Whatever these are. And whatever these are, and this, and this, and this. These are actually pretty good. And we got we got these, and we got this, and we got this, and we got this, and this. And that's smart. It says, okay, you're probably not gonna be able to see it, but it says, oops, your snacks. It says, oops, your snacks are gone. Get more. That's hilarious. So today I'll be trying these chips. So let's get into it, guys. Go! I gotta restart. I'm joking. Okay, we just tried them. Oh, those smell so good. They smell like cheese balls. They look like tastes like a lobster. They freaking taste like a lobster. It doesn't say lobster, but jalapenos and cheese. Shrimp. No sushi. Jalapenos and sushi. It don't taste like it. It's like lobster. 1 out of 10, give it a 7. 7.2. Bye guys.